Hello, I'm Thinev. Today we'll be talking about a swift. Swifts are very common but are very hard to photograph because they are always on the flight and are very fast. The Asian palm swift. The Asian palm swift is a small swift. It is very similar to the African palm swift and was formerly considered to be the same species. It is a common resident breeder in tropical Asia from India to the Philippines. Male and female are similar and young birds differ from adults mainly in their shorter tails. A small grey-brown swift with long thin wings and a long heavily forked tail, darker above and paler below. These swifts spend most of their lives in the air, living on the insects they catch in their beaks. They drink on the wing. Mostly seen over open areas such as fields and agriculture land, but partial to areas with palm on which they breed. It is strongly associated with oil palms. Their calls are like locally named Asia Thal Thurithaya. I have not seen the Asian palm swift. Although not at all a place to spot birds, the Lotus Tower in Colombo might actually be a place where you can see a swift close by. Lotus Tower is a newly built structure in Colombo, which is also happened to be the tallest man-made structure in South Asia.